Hello everyone, this is Brian with Logan Services. Today we're going to talk about the benefits that upgrading your heating and cooling systems can bring to your home. We're going to talk about a few different models. So we'll start with the two-stage system offered by Trane. It's called the XL18i. With that system, that outdoor unit will provide two-stage cooling. It'll provide increased dehumidification. So if you're walking in to your home today and it feels cool, but you're still getting a little wetness behind the neck, we all get that. It may be time to start thinking about upgrading your system with enhanced dehumidification. In addition, it'll start helping a bit with temperature swings in the house. So if you're walking upstairs and you can really feel it getting hot, maybe time to look at some sort of staged equipment to push more airflow to that upstairs area for better comfort, easier sleeping. I know it has to be cool for me to sleep. So in addition, it'll provide energy savings. We're all conscious about savings every day, right? Whether you go to the grocery store, your utility bills, things of that nature. So upgrading your new system can only provide you with energy savings when it comes to your electric bill on the outdoor unit. In addition, it'll provide improved indoor air quality in your home, which is always important. Paired with the XL18 would be the S9V2 furnace. That's going to be our two-stage high-efficient furnace. Provides 96% efficiency, provides more even heating, and obviously with it being 96% efficient, it's going to provide energy savings on the gas bill, as well as, again, everything climbs from a price perspective. We're going to move on to the XC95M furnace. This is going to be your communicating system offered by Trane. With that, that furnace is going to provide even more precise heating in the home, quiet comfort. So if you have a finished basement, you can hear that clunky furnace going. It may be time to get something quieter so you can actually hear the football game this season. In addition, it's built for efficiency. So if you're looking to reduce your carbon footprint in the area, maybe a good time to upgrade that system to a more efficient system. Paired with the XC95M will be the XV20. That's going to be the top outdoor unit provided by Trane. With that system is going to provide precise cooling. So again, if you have temperature swings with the upstairs, you can really feel the difference in temperature, definitely when it's bedtime if your bedroom's upstairs. Great unit to get to really address those types of issues. It's a communicating system, so the system, the furnace and the AC actually communicate together, so I would call it our smart system. It's also very quiet, so if you have your outdoor unit sitting by your patio and it's clunking all summer long as you're trying to have conversations with your friends on your back patio, maybe time to look at a quieter system. It's only 55 decibels, so really conversation quiet system. It also provides maximum dehumidification. So on those really humid days that we get here in Ohio, when you walk into the home, it's going to be noticeably cooler, as well as a lot lower humidity than the system that you have in your home today. So thank you everyone for watching. I do greatly appreciate it. To learn more, go to logan-inc.com. Follow us on Facebook. Check out our YouTube videos. And if you have additional questions or want a free estimate, feel free to give us a call here at Logan Services. Have a wonderful day.